Yogyakarta, home of 100 universities and one of the most favorite tourist destinations in Indonesia. The city has many World Heritage Sites, unique traditional culture, and friendly people. Universitas Islam Indonesia was established in 1945 as Indonesia's first national university. Now, UII is known as the best private university in Indonesia and globally recognized. The university offers 46 academic programs. UII will continue to grow and become the best university which oriented towards values, innovations, and perfection. To support the learning of more than 30,000 students, UII offers the best resources through an innovative central library with massive collections of books and full access to international reputable journals. As one of the most popular private universities, UII is supported by professional human resources and extensive facilities. Among the favorite faculties is Faculty of Industrial Technology. This faculty consists of 5 departments which are accredited with an A. Chemical Engineering Department was established in 1995 with 2 concentrations, namely Chemical Engineering and Textile Engineering. The concentrations of Chemical Engineering has 5 laboratories to support the learning process and research activities. Experiential learning activities allow the students to learn how to apply their knowledge and to innovate. The laboratories also facilitate the students to develop their creative skills and to actively participate in a competition. The concentration of Textile Engineering has 3 laboratories and one of them is nationally standardized. These cutting-edge facilities encourage students to develop their practical skills. Chemical Engineering Department currently has about 800 students and 33 faculty members. The department is also supported with extensive and modern facilities, qualified lecturers, and professional academic service. The students of Chemical Engineering departments also have the opportunity to develop themselves in an organizations, sports, and arts. Now, our school has ranked as one of the top chemical engineering departments. Our department has several research focuses, such as design and fashion, natural dyes, catalyst, food and drug, textile, advanced materials, and renewable energy. It is our vision to educate the young generations to excel in their field and build moral integrity for the benefit of the society. To achieve this goal, the department also initiates program collaborations with other reputable institutions. The graduates will have a broad array of career prospects and increasingly important role in the development of industrial technology to foster national prosperity. In our department, all academic needs are met, and all great things happen. We believe that everything we do is only for nurturing the future leader of tomorrow. Let's join and be a member of our family.